Basta maitsura na doon tayo.
Naka-record namin.
Kahit hindi mo, wala na sa mag-damit.
Fuck this shit.
Dyan, nasa mukha rin.
Let's go, fuck this shit.
Sa pagmumukha yan.
Ang taga ni Ronnie ko, man.
Pero zoomin natin kay Mano.
Forma maganda rin, di ba? Ayos na. Basta naka-tight jeans.
Tight jeans.
Yan, tight jeans, tight jeans.
Naka-tight jeans dapat.
Sumo eh.
Ang daming tanong yan. Minsan kaya awkward.
Sino? Pussy, I love your face, though.
Who just came in? Who just came in, though?
Ay. Lagay mo dyan para nare-record tayo.
Saan?
Pato mo dun eh. Check muna.
If that place is happy.
Huwag dyan, tungak sa
situation.
Dito ba tayo?
Kailan dalawa ni Ronnie ko?
Hindi nga, naka-zoom ba yan?
Oo, hindi naka-zoom out. Zoom. Oh, pucha kayo, wala nakikita si Ronnie ko lang, hindi ko lang ni Ronnie ko.
Zoom out mo.
Nagsasang yung video nun, man.
Oo, man.
Ha?
Hawakan mo lang habang may mo.
Kaya nga. Yeah, it's individual shit. Come on, dog. Let's go do it first.
Okay, let's go.
Ikaw muna.
Fuck you guys.
Okay, tara na.
Kaya na, wala na tayo oras dito. What the hell, may ka like, what?
Somebody farted, yo.
Here's that. Kaya mo yung gagawin namin, ha? Ha?
Okay.
Fuck that shit.
One, two, three, drop that shit, babe.
Oh, wow, dude. Why did you drop it, dude?
Huwag kayo magkakaroon sa carpet to, motherfucker. Kaya patagal pa rin dat inom yung mukha
Ay,
guys.
hindi mo yung mukha, kid.
Tayo papakitasin yan,
Parang
tanga.
yung monster, wala na tayo.
Meron dun.
Ilan ba ito?
Dilaan yun, ano.
Ilan ba nandun doon?
Tangin na, ako lang dito bibidyoan sa inyo.
Bibidyo kita, bro.
Mabilis.
Bibidyo kita, bro.
Sarap na.
Drop that bomb, baby. Like, come on your... Ew. Look at that body, though, big boy. That's like a 4 out of 10, baby. There you go.
Comment,
About what? What the fuck, man?
The drink.
It's awesome, bro.
Teka lang. Ano sabi mo?
It's awesome, bro.
How awesome is it? Really awesome, dog.
Si Ronnie po. Tangin na, Ronnie ko. Yeah, what? That's all we gotta do, man.
I guess so. Ba't nag-uusap tayo dito?
Oh my, what the fuck? We had awkward.
Shit, man.
I was tired and shit, man. Hey, you know what to talk about, though? I don't know.
I know.
Iba na lasa.
Tangin na namin, pussy ang po. Alright, talk about it then.
You know, there's a lot of different pussy. There's like, yung buhok nasa gilid, you know. The hair is on the sides.
You don't gotta upload this in MySpace, right?
Have pubic hair inside their pussy. You know how weird that is, man? It's like having hair in the head of your dick.
Ito. Kaya lang,
Joke. Hey, I'm just joking, dude. I'm just joking.
How do you feel about love, baby? Weed, doggy.
Ganda na picture nito.
Mano, how do you feel about weed?
Look at that rapper though, Krispy Kreme, man.
Yeah, I represent. How do you feel about it's soft. How about you, cameraman?
Well, let me see.
Fuck that.
Yeah, oh, fuck you.
Fuck that. That's my comment right there. Fuck this shit. There you go.
No, it's not supposed to fuck you, man. It's supposed to burn you. What the hell's wrong with you?
Yeah, fuck that.
Oh, bad, man.
I'm waiting me in plastic.
Why is it in the Krispy Kreme bag? We don't know. It's a mystery.
There used to be a donut in that plastic bag.
But it was magic. I was straight. I thought it was a donut. I bought it.
Tara, sige.
Si Manong eh, tahimik eh. Trying to speak.
Boy, yung ano,
No.
Meister.
Gago mahaba yan, minit. Test mo muna.
Pause mo, baka hindi magano yan.
Pause. Sabi mo, pause mo muna mahaba.